What does it take to be the best? What does it take to last under pressure? What does it take to do things the right way? The answer? It takes a century. For 100 years at Hastings Manufacturing, we've been doing one thing over and over, with intention, with resolve, and without compromise. We've made piston rings. And while others try to do it all, we're putting our all into one thing. It's been our only focus, our constant focus. And the results speak for themselves. 25,000 SKUs, 15,000 ring designs, 10,000 applications. That's what we've done. Just wait till you see what we'll do. Hastings Piston Rings. Made in the USA. Made for the world.